Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. Today we are going to see the recent mock test paper of 10th August for those who are appearing in September 2026. It is just giving you a model how the exam is going to be. So you be attentive and listen to each and every question I'm going to post to you. Okay, and thank you for subscribing my channel. If you are at my channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, press the like button, and also share it and leave your valuable comments. Okay, now let us get into the bank reconciliation statement. This time they have given a very easy one. They have given both the balances. You can start with any of the balances. So here I am going to start with the cash book balance. They have given the passbook balance also. If we start with this balance, we have to arrive at this balance. Okay. So first thing is that I am preparing in the books of Veena bank reconciliation statement as at or as on 31st March 2026. Particulars and amount balance as per cash book is a favorable balance. So don't forget to write here debit balance or favorable balance. Okay, that is 112050 that we have entered. Now let us see, some points may be add, some we have to less. So only they are giving us 4 points. So it's very easy sum, but it is for only 5 marks. So nothing is so difficult on that. Okay. So now first you see she has issued checks amounting 80,000. What they do, the moment they issue the check in your cash book, what people used to do, Mrs. Veena's book, the accountant would have made the credit entry on payment side. So immediately when you make an entry on the credit side, your balance will come down. This I have already explained in my previous channels also, previous videos also. So if you are not yet visited my BRS adjusted cash book and all, please go and check that also. Okay. So now let me show you how this is. Okay. So now, yes. So now they have in your cash book, what happens? They will write it on the credit side. Payment is 80,000. Okay. I'm not writing everything in full. So 80,000. So Mrs. Veena's book, they have reduced the balance by 80,000. But in bank, only 32,000 were presented for payment. So bank will not reduce our amount. And you always remember the target book. Target book means which balance you are going to arrive. We are going to arrive at the passbook balance. So think on this aspect. What would have happened in the passbook? Passbook they have reduced only 32,000, not 80,000. So the balance is not deducted from our account. So 48,000 we have to add back to reach our passbook. Okay. So first thing is that in the add you have to write check issued but not presented for payment 48,000. Okay, next one is she received a check of 5,000 which she recorded in her cash book. She recorded this side 5,000. Sorry. She recorded 5,000 on the debit side. It means she has increased her balance, but the check did not go to bank at all. So bank will not increase our this thing. So this will be less minus. Okay. So that comes in your minus. Okay. Next one is a check of 22,000 deposited, not yet cleared by bank. She wrote it on the debit side 22,000, and this time she has deposited the check also, but bank it has not cleared it. The amount has not been credited to the bank account. So in bank, this amount will not be there. So this will also appear on the subtraction less side. Okay. So see that 22,000. Next one is a Gupta deposited 15,700 directly. One customer, what he did, he has in the passbook, he deposited into the bank account of Mrs. Veena directly into the bank. The bank will credit her with 15,700. When bank credits that, the balance will increase in bank account. Okay. So you have to add 15,700 direct deposit by a customer. So this will be a plus one. Okay. So this will be also plus 48,000. So 48,000 will be plus, and then coming back to the last entry, it has credited. So bank, it will be increased 1500, but bank will reduce to 50. Okay. So now this 250 is reduced and 1500 is added. When you add this to 112050 and subtract these things, you will arrive at the balance as per passbook 1,50,000. I hope it's very clear to you. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you.